Ah, Mr. Lewis.
Hey, where's the one-man band?
He's working.
Oh, okay.
Ray! Hey, Ray!
Have company! Shut up!
Don't tell me to shut up!
So, I've heard from some people I know that maybe you have some diamonds for sale.
Not me, my boss, Tony. So, my other boss.
Yeah. You got them from the fat cook.
Ray! Ray! What are you still doing here anyway?
I'll stay as long as I like.
You think you're a big man? Where's your house on Middle Park East? Where's your big sports team, huh?
Shut up, you cunt!
Fuck you, Ray!
Shut up, you fucking cunt!
Hey, man, she okay?
A big gun next to a big man, huh? Your thingy was tiny even before the wrestling coach make you take steroids. Mother always said she only had daughters.
Ignore her, Luis. The diamonds, tell me.
I gotta talk to Tony.
You gotta talk to Daddy. I thought I was making you a real man, not a rand boy.
Bro, I can't sell what ain't mine, bro. And plus, with all the work I put in for you, I don't really feel like a man yet.
Okay. Soon, man, soon. I want you to cover Timur's back. He's going to talk to some people. I need you there.
Okay, man, I got it. But you should chill out, bro.
Let me decide when to chill out. Go!
Yeah, what's up? I'm here.
Yeah, okay. You're in position. Do you see a box in front of you?
Yeah.
Open it. Have you opened it yet?
No, give me a sec.
No.
Okay, I'm here.
Do you recognize that man?
Shit!
I believe you parted with him in a diamond deal.
Yo, what the fuck? Is this the guy we bought the ice from?
You colluded with him to steal from me.
Yo, we just got some rocks off him, okay? Look, listen.
No, you listen. I offered you an opportunity, yet you were plotting against me.
Yo, I ain't know shit about those rocks.
But I believe it doesn't matter. I will do everything in my considerable power to drive you and your faggot master from this earth. Goodbye.
Oh, shit! Fucking great.
You're so stupid. I might just deserve this shit. you asshole! I never should have worked with that guy. Locked? What the fuck? Why don't you go fuck yourself? No one else will.
100-page slide.
Luis, shit! I've been looking for you!
Listen, Tony, I got something to talk to you about. Remember that Ray Bulgarian guy?
That Russian gangster? You think he'd lend us the money we need to get out of this shit? He's bad news. I hate to be the voice of reason here, but I don't think we need that kind of stress in our lives.
Oh yeah, man. We already got it. I talked to him about some opportunities. And it turns out the diamonds we bought were stolen off him in the first place. He cut that cook's head off, man. Long story short, he wants us dead.
Poor old chef. What were you doing talking to these guys without me, Lou?
Sorry, man. I fucked up. Kinda refreshing, though, for me to be the one getting us in shit for once. Don't you think?
Yeah, a real relief.
Listen, man, I told you. I didn't know shit about who owned them diamonds.
Then maybe you should have asked. Instead, you ran around the city making a fool of me. You and your faggot boss will be killed for this. I will do everything in my power
Shit,
to...
I think the signal's dropping, man. Later, bro.